How to unlock your profile on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy, okay, scroll down and go to audience and visibility. Here you can control who can see what you share on Facebook. And below of this, you can see the profile locking. Okay, you'll have to do to unlock your profile is tap the profile locking. And now here you can see your profile is locked. Okay, to unlock, you'll have to do is tap the unlock button here. And okay, here unlock your profile. Your setting will return to the way they were before you lock your profile on this date. Any privacy settings you change after locking your profile will stay the same. And okay, to unlock is you'll have to do is tap the unlock your profile button below. And another, you unlock your profile, more people may see the photo, post, and story on your profile. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the OK button to successfully unlock your profile on Facebook. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.